finally Pulsar N250 and F250 are going to get launched in Kolkata. This is the showroom launch.
Acha, Tushar, you are also called.
So guys, finally the Pulsar N250 and F250 has been launched in Kolkata. I will show you all the details. I will show you all the details later on. I will cover a minimal walk around and I will give you the detailed review of this later on my channel. So guys, this is the Pulsar F250 right in front of you. The F stands for faired or fairing. As you can see, this is having this semi-fairing at the front along with this Pulsar 3D badging, and this is a brand new design with the motorcycle that replaces the famous 220. So in order to keep that legacy of that projector, so Pulsar is now having this LED projector along with this LED DRL, like some eyebrows, and you have LED indicators, the good bits of course, and here you have the 37mm front telescopic forks along with ABS, and this is the front tire as you can see, and these are 100 by 80 R17s along with Gremica calipers. This is a new brand, and apart from that you have this bronze color engine clutch cover, and here you have this chassis cover. This is not actually the exposed chassis, so this is of plastic, so a lot of plastic bits going on, but one good thing is that the fairing is in single piece, so there will be lesser vibration as they claim. And along with this color looks very unique. In light it has some glitter sparkle that's going on, and here you have the seat which is very much cushiony. The seat height is around 800 mm, so it is pretty much accessible. It is not a very tall motorcycle, and the pillion seat is also huge if you see, and this is the F250 badging. And while you come to the back, you have this signature Pulsar kind of rear tail lamp. So you have lot of things going on here, some designs, some graphics, there are some flags and stuff. So this is the rear end which really looks gorgeous. Along with it ends up in a very sharp rear end, and you have the tire hugger. This is the rear tire 130 section. I wish this was a tad bit wider, and you have the rear monoshock, and this is the rear disc brake. And while you come to this side, so let me just go to the other side. So you have the open chain system and the sari guard, so these are mandatory thing. Another good thing is that it gets the middle stand or this double stand along with the side stand. So this is the fuel tank, which is pretty large. It's good, and you have the creases for your plunging on the fuel tank while you accelerate. And here you have a charging socket, so it's a new addition. And apart from that, you have the clip-ons along with this Infinity instrument cluster that Bajaj says. You have the tachometer, you have speedometer, and you also have a gear position indicator here. So it's in gear now. So second gear, as you can see, this is the gear position indicator along with odo and time. So along with you have the fuel indication along with cherry tail lights, and Infiniti, because you have this glass casing ending up here, and you have this very sports tourer like front windshield, which is kind of resembling the Ninja 1000 in a smaller way, but yes, you have it here. And that was all about the F250. This was the very short first impressions that I got to see this motorcycle first, and I could give you the feedback. So if you see, this is a very good balanced product. I will give you a complete walk around video, so please stay tuned for that, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button in order to get subscribed. And for especially if you are looking forward for the walk around, you do need to hit the bell notification as well in order to get the notification as soon as I upload the F250 video. So this was the max I could cover. Behind me you can the Pulsar N250 is there, but it's on test ride, that's why people are just gathering it. There are very limited units that are right now available. So as soon as the motorcycles come along, so I will always try to make good videos upon that, so stay tuned for that. Test ride for the N250 is going on here. So this is the N250. So the base is predominantly the same. You don't have the clip-ons on this one, so this gets a handlebar, a flatter setup, which it is pretty comfortable, I would say. And this has this new fairing, and that's the best thing about this one, because it doesn't look like that both of the bikes are kind of swapped with each other, a naked version and a fairing version. So that's a great thing. And this is the F250 that I have shown you, and it has this empty like front head along with DRL. It kind of looks like the MT-03, the 300cc MT. It's pretty much muscular, I would say. And this is the Infiniti instrument cluster again. It is much more like much more prominent in this one, this model. And this is the flat handlebar I was speaking of. And apart from that, this is all that you can see in between that. And the N has pretty much other things in common, but this much is different. So that's what you have. So finally the two motorcycles are completely here inside the showroom, and I'm standing on the podium. This is the launching setup today, and if you see, in proportions this looks bigger, of course, due to the fairing, and the fairing mounted indicators also makes it a lot more wider. And the riding posture, I took a short ride on it. The riding posture, I believe, is just like any normal Pulsars, maybe RS200 and stuff. So it's very much comfortable. And here you have the flat handlebar that I told you, and it also looks good. Another thing that is retained is the backlit switches, and that is patent for Pulsars. So that is retained, and you can see the tail lamp now properly, and this is the tail lamp. It looks a lot sharper. Thank you. So that's what you have as the 250F and N250. And another thing that I need to point out is that the belly pan or belly cowls are same in both the models. So you have them here. So guys, that was the complete video of the launch and the walk around, short walk around, not the complete review. So this is the F250, and here we have the N250. So this is the complete detailed vlog upon this. So hope you liked it. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Ankit Banerjee signing off. Hope to see you in the next video soon.